All right. We are live on YouTube.
What's going on, everybody? What's going on?
We are going to be doing some cool backtesting one-on-one stuff today. Right. So
we in the gym.
We're gonna give it a little bit. We're gonna send out this link, and then we're gonna give it just a little bit, and then we're going to get to work. Everyone,
I can hear your YouTube in the background.
Let me mute this guy. All right, he's muted. He'll be quiet in like 30 seconds.
I like how you said we. I love that.
Yeah, let me send this out to Telegram. All right, let's give it just a little bit, and then we're going to get to it. All right?
Yes, sir.
It's about to blind everyone's eyes with the white screen.
Oh, Lordy.
Yeah. That's how you got to make sure everyone's awake.
Wake up, Chrissy, wake up.
Man.
Oh, yeah, now you want to go outside. Oh no, you just want, bro, this dog.
Shout out that 275 subscribers. We do appreciate that.
We really do. Hey, shout out to every single one of y'all that are really tapping in. Like, we really appreciate it. We don't say it enough. I feel like, though, the only reason why we don't say it enough is because we want a big milestone to celebrate. Because I feel like once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to celebrate in a big way. I really do feel that way, like, personally.
Yeah, I don't know. That's going to be awesome. I have this inverted. That's funny.
Inverted scale. That's
when you know your voice is different. Hey, give me 2 seconds, AB. You already know the vibes. Give me 2 seconds.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Nah, yeah.
You already know the vibes.
I'm already knowing. Like, you ain't even gotta say it.
Letting people hop on, give them a chance if they want to see the magic. If not, that's okay.
We really about to freaking go. We about to be in the gym for a life, going one-on-one. I love this.
Real life. Hey, so what are we? What pair should we be looking at? EU.
Damn.
Stick to it.
Let's go. We can go ahead and stick with EU. Are we starting at the same time?
Let's just start where you like ended, and then I think we should, or should we just do random times, different times?
I don't know. That's a good question. I personally wanted to just go back more in time so that I'm like further away from current times to see, like, I don't know. I just wanted to do that, but then also trading at current times as well is not a bad idea either. So, I'm interested. Let's go ahead and just start off from where I left off at.
Okay, bet.
It's on because can you hit the time? Can you hit the 5-minute time frame on February 21st or February 16th? Sorry.
Let's see. So let's go to EU over here. Do you know if you were on Awanda? It doesn't matter. 5 minutes, and then what time or what day?
I am on FXCM, but the time is 1 a.m. on February 16th. It's a Tuesday.
You know, FXCM is technically the biggest broker in America.
Yeah.
One more time on that date, February what?
February 16th. I kind of, hold on, let me see if I could change the way how this looks. Visibility.
Huh.
No, I can't change it. That sucks.
Why does it let you go there but not me?
That is, but 20. What? Oh, because you're on the 5 minute, go on the 15.
But I swear you were able to go there yesterday.
I was definitely able.
It's not even giving it to me here.
That's rude.
Oh, wait.
What's the furthest it's taking you? Are you serious? Okay, you go into 1 hour. That's kind of disrespectful at this point.
Well, hold on. Why is it letting you go? Check your chart right now.
Bro, literally, it's the same chart that I've been backtesting on, and I just haven't closed my browser because I be leaving my computer on, but it's literally like still chilling here, like February 20. Hold on, let me try a different chart. Let me go on to my other.
Bro, we're on the same account. This is hilarious.
That's hilarious. Okay, so I'm gonna do this on the 15-minute time frame. And it's February 16th, 2021, 02/16. Bro, they're capped because now it's doing the same thing for me on my chart. So we're gonna have, wow, that's kind of bull, honestly. Okay, see if you can go there on the daily time frame and then zoom in on time and see if that allows you to get there. Because I think that's what I ended up doing.
So what'd you do on the daily?
Yeah.
Here's the daily.
Okay, so now go on there on the 4 hour, or use the replay tool on the daily time frame. Use the replay on the daily time frame and then get there and then get down to it.
I didn't mean to press that button.
I hate when that happens, bro. Like I pressed the space bar. I think that's why I pressed by accident, and then it just goes to the next pair. And I'm like, that is not what I wanted.
All right, what's the date again? My bad.
It's all good. February 16th. Bro, that's how I am with like a lot of things. Trust me, like so bad.
Okay, Feb 16th, and then let's see if it'll let me go to the 4. Okay. 1. Okay.
Okay, TradingView is so capped
So,
for that.
15?
They're so capped for that. Wow.
They have no idea what they're doing.
Okay, now go on to 5 minute because there's no way that the 5 minute does not work, and it works for me. There ain't no way, boy. Perfect.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Wow.
Dude, their systems are messed up. They're gonna have like an update soon.
Yeah, they're gonna update that because they've been actually killing it. No cap.
They're like getting too many support tickets or something because that's too much.
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta stay on the same date. And then another thing, let's establish rules real quick. So what we're gonna do to make this a little bit more, or I guess as objective as we can make it, we got to create some type of rules so other people. Eventually, we're gonna have fucking hundreds of people watching this one day. Right now, of course, we're not, but these are going to be the rules that we're always going to stick by, or we're always going to create rules each backtesting session. This one, we're going to be playing 1 to 2 moves. For me, I'm just going to call it our next wave move. You know what that is.
Yep.
And then I'm going to play the impulse. And I'm gonna play divergence.
Okay.
What are you're gonna play? I already know what you're gonna play.
Playing 1 to 2 P. Same thing. 1 to next wave. I'm playing impulse, and I'm playing.
I didn't mean to put impulse. I meant to put manipulation.
Oh, manipulation.
Because next wave is the impulse.
I definitely love manipulation plays, and I'm also playing AB plays.
That's what I was gonna put.
Yeah, AB fibs.
Now, the second rule
before we go further, bro. Have you ever noticed that the word that we use for fibs literally means lie? Because
yeah,
I just peeped that like right now.
You're a fool.
I'm a fool, I know, but damn. Okay, go ahead.
All right, this guy.
Funny.
Don't make me lose my train of thought. No. The second thing is we're going to stick with a structured move stop loss to break even at 1 to 1. Now, you have an intuition break even, I do too, but for the system, we're gonna keep it at moving it to break even at 1 to 1. If you want to put down in your notes, whatever, that's fine. But for this game, we're doing it like this.
All right.
And then number 3,
where is my?
We're gonna do. You can get out of trade. At break even if trade doesn't look good, and this would be like an intuitional break even type thing. When it's looking bad.
Okay, when it's looking bad, rather than
so this is like getting out of the trade early.
Okay.
All right.
If trade doesn't look good, intuition will break it down. Okay, sounds good.
Okay. Is there anything else we need to add? I don't think so.
I don't think so. Yeah, there.
I wish there was a way to add a to make this like stay. I know there's like lock will make it to where I can't touch it anymore. Will it lock onto the screen?
So that it stays on it the whole time, right?
No, it won't. I wish it did. Let me see. Hold on. I know what to do. Let me copy this. And wait, let me copy the words. I don't know if that gets copied. Copy. And then let me delete this and go to something like, I think maybe this would be better. And I'll just put it right here. It'll always be right there. Yeah. Okay. There we go. That's how you fix that.
Wait.
You do it in a call out right here.
Oh.
And then you just hide the you can
That's
you just
actually pretty fire.
The border or the whatever. Yeah, the border.
I actually like the borders, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right,
let's do this thing.
Right. Go ahead and allow me to share the screen.
How do I allow both of us to share our screens?
You would go to where it says share screen. I think there should be a tab and it should say allow multiple screen sharing or something like that.
Multiple participants can share simultaneously.
There you go. So
And I clicked it.
Yeah, now I can share my screen. Okay, so I shared my screen as well, but I believe it's your screen. That is the main screen.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna figure this out too. Okay, so to switch. Do you have the YouTube up?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do I get it to where you're able to share your screen too? Let me see.
That is
well, like whenever it's like your turn to share, I can just share it. Huh. There's not an option for that, is there?
I don't think so.
How does it
I think you would have to stop sharing and then my screen.
And then you auto share yours. It auto shares you.
It auto share.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, we can run it like that. All right, cool.
Okay, bet. So I'll just go first then, since I'm sharing mine.
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's make sure I'm on the right date on the daily.
That's funny because this, like how we're doing it right now, I can't see your screen right now. But I'll be able to see it on YouTube, so that's fine.
Right, I can see your screen though. That's weird.
You can see my screen?
Yeah.
Well, okay. How are you being able to see my screen? Let me see now. Yeah, that's interesting.
You gotta
now I want to know.
Mess with your monitors or mess with your.
Yeah, probably. You're probably right. But yeah, go ahead. You can go ahead and get started.
Okay, I just want to make sure it's February or Monday the 15th or 16th?
16th at 1 a.m.
Okay.
And you know, I'm just going to make this easy.
Okay, we're at the right spot. I'm on the February 2021, perfect, and then the 5 minute.
I'm just gonna hop on Zoom on this other computer. Sign in to join.
That's so weird. These brokers are. Oh no, I went a little further. That's fine. All right. I'm gonna go to the daily and just kind of look and see what we got going on here. Let's hide this to go. All right, so on the daily, and I'm going to be very, not systematic, but I'm going to try to be as systematic as I can with this. Yes, I want to be A/B and backtesting, of course, but I also just want to get good backtesting in.
Facts. Ditto.
This is not really something I would fib, but on a macro perspective, any big swing to swing is something I would fib, honestly. So if I saw this type of move on like the 15-minute, I wouldn't fib it. But since it's a daily swing, I'm fibbing this. This is starting to show some type of rejection here at the 78.6. We got this rising wedge that's starting to break down now. We have a slow line coming down, okay. Nothing much here, but we do have a rejection candle on the daily, which is giving us too much information, isn't it? Okay, so probably won't get a trade out of it, but I will play the divergence fib. If it comes up here, we do have bearish divergence. Let's change this color so we can see this. We have bearish divergence. So the market is making new highs. So I like to fib this, wait for it to come here and then fake out. So I got that look right now. if that happens, I'll look for an opportunity up there. Other than that, it kind of has this fake out move here. And if it comes back into there, I might assess a buy as well. So we'll see what happens on that. Let me put that fib back here, actually. All right, and then 1 hour, there's some divergence as well, but just waiting for this to get hit. If this gets hit, then I'll most likely sell. 15-minute is not giving me much. This is an area where it is interesting to maybe buy from, just because of how it kind of fake move down, big move up. So we'll be watching that. But overall, I think this is the more interesting spot to be looking for buying opportunities. So those are kind of like the two areas that I think might be worth buying from. Are we gonna play the 5-minute entries, or are we gonna just mess with
do what thou will? I think it's okay for us to play the 5 minute and stuff like that. So
but
what time?
How about this? If you go too far past a trade, you either like have to play or you can't. Like, it's either like the limit order was hit, even if the confirmation is bad. Like, I saw that the candle is kind of bearish. If it hits this and spikes way past it, I'm still gonna play this shit because the divergence
type
is
of
heavy.
thing. Like, if you've already set it up, but the trade isn't set up, then you're playing it regardless. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, like this right here, this fib. If it gets there, how we would play things, then I'm playing this, regardless of what time frame I get on. Does that make sense a little?
Yeah, no, of course, yeah.
Okay, bet. Okay, I'm gonna stay probably on the 15-minute.
Yeah, I'm on the 15. I'm on the 15-minute as well.
I'm gonna get a trade in, and then I'm gonna pass it to you.
All right. So I actually think that it might be best that I don't even look at your screen. Now that I think about this, I'm debating. All right, yeah, it's all right.
Well, either way, you gotta
keep it honest.
You gotta go to like wherever I go. You gotta go a little past it too. We can't take the same like. We're on the same time, but whenever I go 3 days forward, you have to start where I ended. Does that make sense?
I have to start. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, for sure. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That makes hella more sense. Yeah, it's okay, perfect. Okay, go. Yeah, that's perfect. Never mind.
Okay, we're getting a spike up on the 15-minute. The momentum is starting to rise. The volume rose nicely here. It's still high, but it's decreasing. This might be a fake move, and if it does, this is a long ways away. I doubt it gets up there, to be honest. So, now at this point, if it gives me the opportunity, I'll be looking for this structure to break. And I'm gonna keep it on. I'm gonna keep it on 3x. Okay,
yeah, 3x is fine.
Okay, so look. Hey, AB, you know me. Am I taking this trade?
You are not taking that because of how fast price dropped.
Perfect. Now, you already know what I'm about to do. Forget that zone. I'm bringing the fibs out now.
Yep, exactly.
This was obviously a fake push up. You can see the volume was just dying. Oh wow! And then now we're getting this, so I'm looking for that.
Yeah,
and
rise of volume.
I'm sorry that you don't get to play this one. Ooh.
It's all right.
No, you know how I just be getting so competitive and having fun.
Right, of course.
All right, A pattern, A wave. We need a B push up. So here we go. Let's talk about this. Now we got this impulse. and no correction really, and we get this move down, we get the divergence. So now what I'll do, and I'm just gonna play almost damn near everything I see, I think, just because it's like a different game right now, you know what I'm saying?
Different, yeah, exactly. We gotta make this now. We got the juices flowing.
Here's the divergence fib. I gotta bring out a 50 EMA to make sure that this either gets hit first or this gets hit first. If the EMA gets hit first, I'm not messing with this. So I'm looking for a long position here. For 30 pips stop. Ooh, this might, we said 1 to 2s, but my divergence fibs ain't the thing about them. I'll try to go for a 1 to 2 on that, but this one's not setting up for 1 to 2, to be honest. So we might not be able to play this if I'm trying to be real with the rules. So we'll see if it works out, but the rules are saying I need to go for 1 to 2. Now a 3-wave divergence is coming in, and the 1 to 2 still isn't there, I don't think, which is sad for this this setup, because I think it's here. Let's be honest with each other. Nah. So it's not even 30 pips away from the 50 EMA.
Bro, but at the same time, I know that your divergence is 1-to-1s. Like, just play. You could play the 1-to-1s. It's totally fine. It's totally
but not even. But that, yes, but this one is not even 30 for 30. You know, my shit is 30 for 30, and like if market isn't 30 pips away from a midpoint, it feels like it's just gonna keep sliding, and it's just not. I go for 30 for 30. I mean, this is probably gonna hit, but
it's not for you.
It's just, sadly.
Yeah, I've never seen you play.
I want to take this, though. I want to take this, but it's just not. It's just not my rules. Let's see what happens. Hey, that's why you stick to the rules. It wasn't far enough. It didn't give me enough opportunity.
Yeah, there you go.
All right. So let's go to the 1 real quick and see what we got going on here. All right, it's coming down into that area. Let me fib this. This is like an inverted head and shoulders, but I'm still interested in this fake move up here. Dang. All right, so I want to get a good trade in. Divergence is so present right now. So if we get like a break of structure here, maybe I might try for something like this. All right.
Actually, I'm gonna put RB up on here. I haven't been playing with RB, but I should.
So this big fake out definitely just sunk the market down all the way into the area that I kind of want to buy from, and now it's getting a little volumes picking up and everything, but we do have some divergence here. It's not the way I like to trade. So AB, do you think I would take this trade?
You would not, but it would be something that I would consider.
Correct. All right.
That is definitely AB fib status.
If it does this, I might consider it. But damn, I need to get a solid trade in. I think EU gives like 1 solid trade every week, though.
1 to 2. I genuinely believe that EU can give 1 to 2 solid setups a week.
Okay, it's an ugly time of day now.
Can you do me one? Hold on, never mind. I see it. Never mind. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I was out during London.
What day is that?
We are on. The candle is February 18th at 3 o'clock ish.
February 18th at 3 a.m. Okay.
Okay. I want to see it come into this zone up here. Right now it has definitely divergence. Market's making this move up with no volume. We can take this here and look for a short up at the 78.6.
Yep.
I'm gonna do this for now.
That's what you would play more than the buy
For sure.
at this point.
So I think at this point I'm gonna have a limit order regardless right here. Just based off the manipulation, I'm gonna have probably a limit order, and I like the way it's correcting and the divergence, low volume. I'm here for it, but nothing in between it really.
If price were to go for the buy, plate still.
All right, I'm in it.
Oh, that's gonna smack.
All right, so per rules, we have to move the stop loss to break even now.
Very nice. 1-to-1.
I believe that's 1-to. I mean, you want to call that 1-to-1? How you want to play today, AB?
Bro, listen, that's 1-to-1 in our books.
All right.
I'm keeping it a
So how
stat.
you want to play?
I'm keeping it 1,000.
All right, so let's
That's
see if this
1-to-1 where we're from.
Let's see if this one's a big one, big winner or not. Come on, roll with me.
Let's see if you about to get this 2%, boy.
Oh, we're safe.
Oh, that looks insane.
Yes. Oh, big Papa. Don't do me like that.
Come on, just die. Don't do it. Oh Lord. That's
close.
tragic. That's tragic.
That's tragic. Okay, well, I got
All
the
right.
1-to-1.
What day is it?
If at the end of the stream or whatever, if it comes down to it, we gotta call like 1-to-1s something, you know, like something. We gotta call that like 1 point or something, and then
we'll mess around and find out.
We'll mess around at the end. We'll figure this out. So the first one,
if we weren't on YouTube, I would cuss, but you know, these fools they be cracking down on the
1-to-1 hit. So I'm gonna call
what day
this,
are you on?
What should I call it? A W or break even?
That's W.
Okay, it's W, and then I say
Then
manipulation. I'm gonna say that, and then I'm gonna say 1-to-1 hit. Let's see, it was like 1-to-1.5 hit before break even.
Yeah, we could definitely do that, like 1-to-1.5 or whatever. We could
I just want to
measure.
know for my notes, I guess, more than anything, but
Absolutely. And that day is Monday to February 22nd.
Yep.
At what time?
6 a.m.
Monday at 6 a.m. Let's back it up a little bit.
Okay, and then I need to stop my share. And does it auto share yours?
I believe it. Yes, it does. Okay, so I'm gonna have RB over here to the left when I want it, but I'm gonna have this predominantly on my screen. All right.
It does share yours.
Yeah, mine's a sharing. I can see it. I can see it on Zoom.
Your chart now too, like you said. So I probably have to join the Zoom from my.
That's funny.
Oh, that's funny.
And then, but it automatically switched on YouTube. I can see that. Okay, so right now it's currently 6 a.m. Currently 6 a.m. Let me get one more candlestick up in here. Price broke you at break even. I would not want to play this anymore because the 61.8 went so bullish like that. I don't like to double dip, so I'd probably be looking for a 15-minute buy if it broke through this high for a retracement. And then, so let's go ahead and see. I want to go into 4-hour real quick just to peep it. I'm still interested in this pricing that I had marked up from the previous session, because that's the only reason why this would be here, I think. So I'm still going to be watching out for these highs up at 1.22669 to get hit. But yeah, that's still what I'm keeping my eye on, since this 1 hour play didn't get to where I wanted to before hitting 121 on the 61.8. So let's see. Oh, I did not mean to be on the 15-minute first of all, and I want to be at 3 speed. Okay, so I like how it broke through these highs, because the trend right now is predominantly a bullish trend. So 15-minute time frame, I am looking for this retracement. If it can give me a decent ABC wave while coming down, then I'll be definitely looking for this play. Let's see if price is going to stop here. Want to look to the left real quick. So it's made an equal high right here. If it can give me an ABC wave, it'd be much better for a trade. But if it just dropped down like how it looks like it's dropping down right now, I am not going to be interested in playing it like that. Oops, I did not mean to go over there.
Oh, you brought RB out like a freaking like we didn't go over the rules before.
Oh, bro, I don't even know if I'm going to use it like that, to be quite honest with you. Because I think it's gonna be it's gonna be way too long if I really think about it, and I'm not trying to freaking be on here all night. I know you got things to do. Okay, this bearish move, I actually like it for the 5-minute. What time is it though? Okay, it's barely like kind of waking up-ish time.
Waking up-ish.
Yeah, you like that? I know.
That was good.
Okay, I like this retracement. What time is it over here though? It's 10:30. I want to see what this 5-minute talking about. So rise of volume as price is increasing. That's definitely an AB fib if I've seen one. I'm not gonna lie to anybody. Damn, that's an AB fib. I gotta play it. Because I really got to get these stats up. Real life. But damn, this volume, I don't like it. Let me see.
Now, I bet.
Hold on, let me see what's up. Let me see what's up though.
It done barely missed the 71 and drop.
That's what I hate, bro. If it keeps dropping. Oh, it's already done it. Yeah, I can't play it. It's already done it. It's already done the move I wanted with this fucking sorry, YouTube. But oh man, it would have done it, but anyways. But I do like the way how it's coming down to my area to buy it at regardless, so that's okay. Let me see though. I keep touching over there when I don't want to. I don't like this. Don't like how that hasn't been tapped for this buy. All right. Yeah, this is definitely going to be an iffy buy at this point, but let me just bring in. Ooh, if it drops below this, it's slipping down hard. That's funny. Okay. I'm still going to play it though, I think, depending on how it comes to the downside. Yeah, it would have hold first of all. 71% drop down. That's funny. Okay, let's see how you're dropping though.
Here comes the slip.
Ooh, are you not gonna drop?
Ooh, see, too much time in between that now.
Yeah, now it's too much time, and I'm like, at this point, whatever. I don't. Funny, 1-to-1 would have hit off the 78.6 regardless, but it was not for me. Oof. Oh no, not the volume rise. The volume rise right there. All right, 745. In a real life situation,
this was almost the inverse of what we did today.
Right? Another, yeah, for reals. Let me see what the rest of this comes. Oh no, bro. I mean, the fib is set up, and that's literally what I wanted. But at the same time, I wanted to set up the trade before it showed me what it was gonna do.
You gotta set it up. We said it. You gotta set it up. You gotta put the order there.
Yeah. All right. Whatever. Not playing that. It's all right.
The volume was increasing. You gotta say like, "Hey, I'm getting in" or whatever.
But that's the thing. I was hoping that this candle, this drop right here, I was hoping that the next candle wasn't gonna pop like that, so that
I don't even know if it hit it. Honestly,
it did. It hella did. Look at it's at 1.21102, and then this is at 1.2122 or 1.21092. It hella activated. Yeah, that would have been a nice 1-2 as well. I don't want to play that short. Never. I'm just gonna keep it going. Yeah, I wouldn't want to play that short. Kind of mad about that, but whatever. I'm not going to stress too much about it. Okay, got a higher high. Price is extending. Yeah, man, that would have been. That's a 1-6 right there. That's a hurtful one. That's a hurtful one to freaking not play. But I'm gonna have to mark it down regardless. Okay. So now we're coming up into this pricing of the 4-hour. Let's see what the volume is looking like on that. Don't like the rejection off the 71%. As price is increasing, the volume is increasing as well. So that's not necessarily the best sign. Throw in point of control. I mean, throw in volume profile in here. If price comes up in here and holds, then yes, I would expect the drop for sure. But if it slips anywhere above it, then I'm expecting it to hit stop loss, quite honestly. Okay. Let me set this up before any type of coincidental bullshit happens. The rise of the volume is definitely intimidating. I'm not going to lie to anybody. I'm not going to lie to anybody at all.
Ooh.
And that's annoying. Hold on, I got to measure it out, but that's annoying if it just rejected off of the 71 and then it didn't. And it did the 1-1 for it. Hasn't hit it yet. Now it has. That's annoying. Can't play it anymore. But now I do like the lower time frame play as long as this structure right here gets officially broken. This one actually down here would be much better. So I'm just gonna have the both of them right there. Okay, like that breaker structure, that sell is getting played. Oof, 71 all the way down to the 23.6. Okay. So now this is a play that looks hideous in my eyes, actually, looking at the daily time frame, probably. And I don't know why I came down to the daily. Yeah, actually, I came to the daily at the most best time ever. But I see that there's this play, this opportunity right here where price can definitely go bullish. But overall, right now, in my personal opinion, EURUSD is set. It's in a higher time frame. 78.6 fib area still that I'm still looking for it to drop. Like that's exactly why I said like this play to begin with was what I was looking for, because price was and that was from my last backtesting session, that price was in the higher time frame 78.6. Even more reason why I would have really wanted to have sold that over there. But flipping this from this high, from that low to this high, since price has gone and made like broken through structures, multiple structures to the downside, there is this possible bullish move right here at 1.20167. Now, the push to the downside on the volume is much higher than the rise was. So when it comes to that, I don't want to play this buy. I would rather it just reject off of here for a sell play. But depending how it gets to that 78.6, I might still play this buy. I probably play it at a half risk in real life. Let me see what this candle looked like. Hold on. Oh, never mind. With that candle, yeah, with this price action, no, I ain't gonna do it. Number one. Number two, I gotta measure the speed. Put the fib right. Measure the speed of this. 20 days, 16 hours. Oh, there is no way that this was 20 days. Yeah, that's three. Hell yeah. Yeah, the cells are only getting played. It could do it if it wants, but I'm good off of it, low key. Not even low key, but high key. All right, so if I was playing it, it would have got me in, but I'm not playing it. All right, that's the bullish move. No, it's okay, because guess what? Now I'm going to wait for the retracement. I'm just taking the page out of your book. Because like I said, in a real life situation, I would have half risked that. Like hands down. Like there's no way I'm not playing the half risk on here. I'm playing full risk. I'm just taking full risk trades. Yeah, I'm playing this buy right here.
Ooh, a double 78.6.
Kind of iffy, because now it just feels like, oh well, then now you want to play, now you're trying to play the double dip on this type of play. That's kind of how I'm looking at it psychologically, but then I'm like, but this is on a lower time frame, a real life setup, because if you look to the left, broken this structure right here, I want to make it smaller, but I can't.
I'd probably play it.
And then even this right here. Yeah, this is definitely a play that you would, if I would have brought it up to you, you would have been like, I don't like the play, but if on the lower time frame it breaks structure, then I'll play it. This is definitely one of those plays. So, and even this bearish move, like honestly, if price came up on the 5-minute time frame, I'll probably play that bearish move right there. But we'll see what happens. Okay, triple bottom down there. That's funny.
Time of day.
Okay, time of day is 3 a.m.
Okay.
So price, oof.
Limit orders.
See what that volume looking like? Okay, volume increasing, but it's not deadly, so I'm okay with this. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, man.
Do it to him.
Don't do this.
Do it to him.
This fool said do it to him. He's like, I'm not trying to have you win. What you mean?
I want the market to go a little bit further for my setup.
Okay.
I'm playing this like a board game.
Oh, don't do it to me like that, bro. Damn, man. Oh, that's tough. Wait, did it hit? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it hit. All right, that's an L. That's minus 1%. I'm kind of not gonna lie. I'm kind of upset that one trade it really did that, and I couldn't play it, but it's whatever. All right, L minus 1%. Go ahead. That's all you, bro.
All right, mister. What day are you at?
I am at March 4th.
All right. We're gonna go to March 4th then. Dang, I was on February 21st. So
Hold on. Let me see on the 5 minute. If price would have came down like that, would have I really stayed in the trade? No, I would not have, but it's okay. I'm okay with taking the L. Okay, what else? What the lower time frame would I have played? There's nothing really here that I would be interested in playing in lower time frames. Maybe that, but then I would have been like, yeah, I would get out. Yeah, whatever.
And the only reason I didn't do this as you go is just because that's kind of cap, I feel like.
I definitely was doing like, oh, like once you did a play, then I'd wait until the next day. Or like every time I asked you what time, what day it was, that's when I would ask, that's when I like just
You
move
say
that.
March 4th?
I am currently at March 4th at 11:55, or no, like 12 p.m. Damn. Yeah. So that loss that I took.
Where's my colors? All right, I'll stop at that line. We got an impulse here, retrace. I mean, if this is what you just, yeah, I mean, bro, I would be looking for that same move probably.
I would have definitely. I could, and
I think I
again,
would
bro.
be looking for that same move, bro. That's kind of a picture perfect bull flag that came into this area. It just maybe in real markets,
Bro, just look
we
at the
would have
5 minute. Just
said
look at the
no,
5 minute
thank
time frame.
you.
Just look at the 5 minute time frame. Like I just said, in real life, if I would have seen price came in on that, I'm not playing it. There's no way I'd play it on the 5 minute. If I was looking at the market at that time and it
Well, that's
came
how
in.
that other trade came into the entry that you didn't play that would have went 1 to 6. So
Let me see. I don't
yeah,
think it came exactly like that. It didn't hit a fib, it then went bullish and then came back down. It just came down fast, but it didn't hit any fibs. Do you know what I mean? Versus that, it literally hit the 71, went a little bullish, and then came crashing down. That's the main difference between those two plays that I'll be like, nah, I'm not with it. You know what I mean?
I feel you. All right, now we have these lows. If this gets broken, we have some downside to get to touch. Let's touch 4 hour real quick. Oof. So this is an area of volume down here. Let me turn on the, yeah, all the way down here pretty much is where it should come into. I'll just put this here. So let's see if we can get a retracement on maybe the 15 minute and then short it. Or if it gives divergence, I might buy it in like a crazy. Okay, it's definitely giving some divergence. It needs to create better PNP. Well, this is NPN. 5 minute is probably giving it better. So let me just see if I were to go. Yeah, so it's not far enough away from the 15 EMA yet. Let me just play a little bit more with this. Nope. Okay, we're good. I know my divergence. It's coming into this area for the volume. There's no play until it makes a clear Well, that's funny. I'm not going to count this, but definitely divergence fib smacked it on the butt and the volume area. So I should have been slowing it down, but that's fine. I want to wait for this to turn around here now. Let's go to the 5 minute. Nope, it's just not a good correction for me. I'll stay on the 15 minute. Let me take it off 10x. That's the problem. So this right here, after this move, we're probably going to get an impulse. And if it breaks this high, I might look for the buy. This is kind of impulsing down. It's too ugly to trade divergence on this. See if the 1 hour is giving any possibilities. No. I mean, it's definitely gonna turn around soon. So
Go on the 4 hour real quick.
here's some structure. 4 hour, very much not divergent. That's why I'm being very patient. Volume is drying up a little now.
That 4 hour is still going to be amazing.
Yeah, if it can come up. Okay, now the volume, even though we are breaking and it is increasing, is starting to decrease. Same with this momentum. So I'm waiting for some type of divergent play that looks good for my divergent eyes. But I can't see it yet. But I'll be waiting. Not yet. It's tempting, but it's not yet. All right. Now I'm interested in the buys, I think. Even though it's probably gonna come and get this damn low. That's like a daily low. Let's look at this on the 1 hour, not the 4 or anything. These are probably gonna get hit, but there was just so much demand right here where we could just have a reaction regardless. So I want to try to get a buy to this. It might give me a chance, it might not. The momentum is starting to pick up to the upside, so that's good. It's converging. Momentum is starting to, or volume starting to pick up, but it still isn't more than the bears. Let's play this. Time of day is London.
Ooh, that buy is gonna look good.
All right, so the buy looks really clean. The divergence would have hurt some inexperienced divergence traders for a while, and then finally would have gave him an opportunity. Now, this is what is interesting to me as being a divergence trader, right? The market was showing divergence here. So people were probably buying here, here, and here, and it kept just slipping. And now it's back into that area where people probably first started buying the divergence from. This isn't what we are backtesting right now, but AB, I'll say it right now. I've seen it so many times where this is it, like we play this system, but the market sometimes, after like so many people have bought here and then it gives it this market back, sometimes it just does this, dude. It's crazy.
Yeah. No, I agree on that.
But I'm going to see how this correction looks, because obviously this is nice impulse. If I get something like this or something like this, I'll play. It needs to kind of look a little more better. So far I'm playing if it spikes. Okay. The timing, you know me.
Yeah.
I'm still okay with it. It's like a bull flag-ish. I'll play it.
Oof. You still gonna play it?
Nope. So this trade's
Oh,
invalid.
yeah.
I might. No, that's not how I roll. So
You know I will.
this is what I'm seeing now. Probably, yeah. This is creating some divergence right here. So I will look at this on the 1 hour, and then go to the 15-minute. And if I get 5-minute divergence in this area, I'll probably look for a short, but I don't like it just on the one, because the lower time frames momentums are starting to pop higher and higher. So this made a high move, and then this made an even higher move. So it's not telling me for any reason should I look for a turnaround. All right. Unless this comes here and then gives me this bearish divergence, then that's an opportunity. All right, too much time has passed, I think. Let me see the 15-minute, because on the 5-minute, it's kind of just too balanced. The 15-minute is still valid. I'm gonna do this though. And yeah, okay. This is looking okay. 15-minute has divergence, 5-minute has a divergence, but it's balanced out. 1 hour, don't give it away, still has divergence. I'll take a shot here probably. Let me see how it gets there. I'll stop it right before it gets there if it shoots there. Yeah, still diverged. Very ugly at this point. Too much time has passed. Hold on. It hasn't hit it yet. Okay. 5-minute. This fib is invalid because of the time. So I'm going to delete the fib. I'm not going to play the divergence, not time of day, but time it took to get there. Because this is not an imbalanced market. This is a very balanced market. You want to play the fib on an imbalanced market. This is starting to break out in momentum a little bit. And the 1 hour still has the divergence. So should I play it per 1 hour divergent rules, bro?
Bro, you gotta play your divergence. You know exactly what you gotta do.
Well, that's a little cap, but
oh, that is.
Let's see how 30. If this is 30, I'll play it. Ooh, 36.
That's 36. Go ahead and hit that 30 for 30.
All right, I'm gonna go for the 30 for 30. And if the divergence kings, I would call this a B divergence setup. Not, me. I usually only strike on A's, but I'm gonna strike on this because it is valid on the MACD 1 hour more than anything. Wow.
Oof. Okay, you're
hold on. Let's
you
be
would have
real. I
gone
should have
out.
not
You would
played
have
it
been
like
gone
that.
out. You would I'm being real. You would have been gone out.
Yes.
I'm being real. You would have been gone out.
All right.
So,
thank you.
I got you. No
But
worries.
Jesus.
That's fast.
And I'm
the market, the forest gods, like how they usually be giving us a chance to get out of trades. They're like, all right, we got you.
They gave me the best chance.
They gave you the best chance
to get out right here, and then they gave me another chance, and then they're like, "Here, if you didn't get out, you can make some money today." But nah, I hope you got out.
Exactly.
Okay, dang. Okay, that's a true break even. Because I definitely would have. Man, that would have been a tough one.
Why am I on the Dow Jones? That's funny.
All right, here you go.
Okay, I'm gonna have to. What day are you on?
I am on the 11th at 1 o'clock
of March.
Yep.
March 11th at 1 o'clock. On the Thursday, Okay, so right now I'm on March 10th. Then you said 11 at 1 o'clock p.m. or a.m.
1 p.m.
Okay. That's 2 a.m. Yeah, that thing really said here, I'm gonna bless you.
It sure did. Dang. All right.
Oh, that's
Good there.
11, 12, 1. Oh, no, that is not what I, well, it doesn't matter because nothing happened out of the ordinary for me. Okay. Let's see what we got over here. Delete Mr. Fibble over there. All right, 1 hour time frame.
Dang, you get to play this short now?
Yes, I do. Yeah, I'm definitely playing this short from this high to this low. If that loses, I'm still playing this short from this high to
If
this
you
low.
lose that one, I'll play the other one.
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, damn, you get to play this one. That's but definitely. Oh, before I even continue, go onto your computer and go onto the YouTube studio and see if you like what I did, like for the SEO.
Yeah.
Or something like that. You can go ahead and check that out a little bit. But yeah, 1 hour time frame. I like this bear the sell for sure. So let me set it up. Oops. Volume is not so much increasing on the rise, so that's cool. Go ahead and get that 1 to 2 set up. I still on the lower time frames will play this buy if it comes down, like right. Let's say if it doesn't hit the 61.8, if it comes down, I would still play I'll still want to play the 78.6 to the upside, and that will actually even be better because then it'll give me a better looking ABC rather than me having to just think that, oh, is this the ABC right here type of thing. So we'll see what's good with that. First of all, I don't know why that's even open right there. Okay, first of all, get in a little better. Stop loss right there. All right. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so like I said, if it drops down, I mean, if it stops right here, then I'd hella play this. But I want to play overall, like I said, that fib play, that lower time frame fib, I'll still play it. I don't like the drop so far. If it keeps dropping like this, then I would hella reevaluate me getting into the trade. But I need to be able to do that as price gets there. So I think as price is getting down there, I'm gonna have to slow it down and click this. Okay, I like that. Actually, I see a 5-minute sell play right there in between all of this. That's funny. I'm not even on the 15-minute. I thought I was on the 15-minute the whole time, but yeah, I see a little 15-minute / 5-minute sell right here, opportunity before it goes bullish, but I need to see how price will get there first. Yeah, I'll sell this. Unless it just holds me right here. I'm pretty sure YouTube doesn't have an issue with that. Okay, before I even try to take the trade, let me make sure volume on the rise, non-existent. What time of day is it? Ooh, it's 9 p.m. I don't like the time of day necessarily. Just because of that, I'm going to move this fib slightly higher to the actual high. And if I miss it, then it's okay. I'm just going to leave it there. There you go. So, yeah, let's see what happens. I have those set up on the higher time frame. And I don't get to play this. That's funny. All right, I don't get to play that. It is what it is. All right. So I like the ABC if it pushes down over here for that buy still. Come on, push down. Don't rock it down, though. Okay, now the time in between is starting to get really extensive. We're about to be in a new day, the 16th. The longer this extends, the less I want to play this. Okay. Oh, the volume is increasing off of some news. Or is it? It's at 8:45. The volume increase on that candlestick off of some news. So this is becoming more and more of a B grade AB. Wait, hold on. A B grade AB fib than I would have wanted it to be. I might take a second L in a row if I take that trade, to be quite honest. Let me just make a case as to why I should or why I can't take this. So this has yet to get tested. This has been tested already. That 61.8 is dangerous looking. If it slips anywhere past this, it's gonna die. Definitely not feeling this so much, but it can hold here. I'll still take it. Wait, hold on. Let me actually go on. What time is it? Double check. 9 a.m. I'm not going to check the 4 hour because it might spoil me. Come on, show me a bullish candle at least a little bit. Okay, thank you. Okay. Did it hit 71 already? It basically didn't. If it just drops straight down into entry, it's going to be iffy, but I'll still take the trade, like I said. This little 5-minute trade, I see it as well, but that's kind of scary. At this point, I'd rather just wait for the buy. Exactly. Damn, man, this market is not giving me things to play. Okay. So I didn't get that. So no entry on there. I'm still down to play this 1 hour play. But with that bullish move, I think I am interested in some buys if I get a lower time frame buy opportunity as well. But this volume that's picked up on this candlestick is actually not making me want to play this. Like, no cap. It's actually kind of scary that volume is higher than the rest of all of this other volume to the left. Let me actually go really back and see. Yeah, this is very high volume, and that's a very big, large candlestick to begin with. This is a real bullish move. I don't know if I want to play this anymore. This retracement looks really good on the lower time frame. I'm playing that sell. I'm playing this buy right here. It's iffy, but I'm playing this. Do I want to play this fib or this fib now is the question. You know what? I'll just stay true to the first initial setup, and I'll just say that I'll play this fib
Okay.
because I don't want to be like, oh well, this fib is better, but then I wouldn't play this fib in a real life situation. It's either this one or this one. It would never be this one.
Right.
So I'm just like, I gotta be real. Let me
Pick your
see what the
poison.
volume's looking like. The time, 8 a.m. This happened at 1 p.m. So this was on some FOMC stuff right here because it's at 1 p.m. Yeah, give me this. I don't care for how it just double topped right here, but I'm okay with shooting my shot. All right, that's 1-to-1. It's at break even. Based off of how my take profit usually is, I would have taken 0.2%. Do you want me to do that, or is just 1 to 2?
Yeah, no.
1 to 2?
Yeah.
All right. All right, and then that's break even right there. So let's see what happens after. Oh, wow, this consolidates for a long time after. Okay, you know what? Just in case the setup doesn't appear for you, which I don't think there would be, but it's a break even. It's a 1-to-1 and then break even.
Right. Bet.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my own, like I'll type it in on my stuff. I'm currently at Friday, March 19th at 12 p.m. Wait, yeah, no, at 12 a.m. That's where the current thing is at. There you go, good sir.
All right. You said what?
I love that. Friday, March 19th. He said, you said what?
I had to get the pistachios in.
I feel that, man. I'm allergic.
No.
Yeah, it's tough, bro. I'm allergic to most nuts. Fun fact. All right, 2 was a W, 1-to-1, break even after.
FOMC. Okay.
Yeah, that was definitely on some FOMC stuff right there. All right, let's see what you got
Can't
going
even
on.
lie. Probably will play this with you.
Yeah, that volume and then the drop on the volume on the lower time frame, it also did like a kind of, it didn't ABC, but it double topped pretty decently and it held. And that bearish move, yeah, I think you would have probably joined in.
Yeah,
after some
what,
news.
what would happen if you would have played the fib like this?
If I would have played the fib like that, it would have just activated. It would have activated, and then it would have did the exact same thing. There would be no difference at all. It would have literally.
It would have been a W.
Yeah, it would have been a W 1-to-1, and then it would have broke me even.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So exact same thing.
Why is my broker a little different?
Because you're on a Wanda. Because Wanda's a bitch. No, I'm joking. Well, I mean, sorry, YouTube, but what Wanda is doing with our boy, yeah, they kind of fumbling.
All right, let's see what happens. Let's let this roll through a little bit. Seeing some bullish divergence. This area up here, that's an interesting area. I don't know if I want to sell up there if the price gets there, but I just want to say I might. And then this I want to see how this retraces into this area. Nice little impulse. I think there's breaks above this. Let's see. Okay, these lows are breaking now. All right, let's see if there's any 15-minute divergence. Okay. I don't want to buy yet. That's interesting. I'm gonna hold off.
I was about to say
There's no middle right here, but if there was, I would be in that thing.
that volume drop. I mean, that volume
Yeah,
picked up on that drop.
Sometimes that divergence hits regardless,
Yeah.
but I wasn't about to go against the rules with no positive, negative, positive.
Yeah.
5 minute, I'll probably look for buys now. Manipulation move.
Oh, for sure. Oh, you get to play that. That's nice.
I don't want to sell right here.
I would.
Wow, bull flag. Nope, we're not about that.
Oof. Damn.
That's annoying.
That's very annoying.
So now
Because realistically, there would not be a limit set if price just made that bull flag like that. There would not be a limit set at all for either of us.
not yet, at least.
I would definitely need price to alert me before, like, at least get to the 61.8 to let me know, oh, okay, we're getting there. But the way how price came down, it just crashed right past everything. So
I'm still not feeling anything yet here. I don't want to force a trade,
I wouldn't either.
but if there is like a move down and then a big move up, that's kind of like what I'm waiting for because of this demand and then this liquidity all built right here. I feel like that is just waiting for this type of move. So if I get that, I'll already know what to do.
Where's my phone at? Oh, it's right here. I'm funny.
15. And then this big O candle right here. I'm not playing the bears right here, even though it might hit. I don't like the one candle bitches and it was there. Dang, I want these lows to break first, bro. Because this is enticing now that this structure is shifting on the 5 minute.
Damn, hella enticing, huh?
Let me see how it gets there. Well, now it's really shifting. Okay, buddy. I'm gonna play this area if it comes back with some chillness. Okay. I like it. Okay. Hold up. Are you going to diverge on everybody? Because you're diverging on the 5. You're diverging on the 15. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and throw a divergence fib in the sky right here.
Oh, yeah, that thing is hella gonna hit that, bro. Oh, I'm kind of jelly.
Let me see what this looks like first. Oh my God. Barely 30 for 30. Okay. Well, here's another one that I don't really like again, AB, but for the backtesting purposes, we're going to do it. And then
I like it because the 50 EMA is further away from the 30, so I feel like it can even drop more, in my opinion.
Okay, but let's just remember. Let's just try to remember these times when we're both backtesting together. It's good to get to see each other's emotions. Just know that.
Yeah, you don't.
The first one I didn't love it, and look what it did. The second one, which is now, I don't love it either. Let's see what it does.
Okay.
But per indicator, it is diverging here and here, and I like to have multiple time frames. So, and as long as the market isn't doing like crazy Bitcoin stuff, that's what I like to just call like crazy moves up. It's like waving. So we should get a wave. We'll see. If it comes into
that Bitcoin stuff, I love it.
if it comes into this, or if this comes up more, kind of like that, then it's invalid. And then we'll look for the third wave.
Okay.
Okay, come on, give it to me.
Ooh, don't do it. Wait, you got to make sure that it's accurate. Make sure everything is. It is. Ooh, don't do it to him.
It's accurate, I think. 19,443. Well, let's just play one more candle because it's probably gonna go up. Yeah.
Oh, there you go. I mean, duh. There you go.
Okay, so as it approaches this 50 EMA, this sucks. Cause I ain't just gonna break it even unless it goes 1-to-1 or type shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But this is just for fun.
Wait, was this
real life? We know what's
yeah.
good right here. Once this is 50 EMA, real life, we're moving that shit.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on.
That thing's gonna hit your TP.
Ew, look how slow and corrective that is, bro.
It's gonna hit your TP.
There we go.
It's gonna hit. Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
There you go. Like I said, it's gonna hit your TP.
All
right, it's fun. It's funny because now I'm about to literally get into a trade right after you. What time is it? This voice said that we're just kidding.
Okay.
What's the day?
The day is the 23rd, Tuesday at 3:00.
Going up on a Tuesday. Is it AM or PM?
AM.
Okay.
So that's interesting how I didn't love that one. But while you're getting to your mark, I'm gonna talk about it real quick because there was divergence on the MACD. We saw that. But when the market was getting to my entry, there was no volume, bro. So
I wanted to ask, what was the main difference between because there was two divergent setups that you could have taken there was the one that you could have taken before, but you didn't, but it smacked really fast. And then the other one, what are the two main differences between those two?
Here's that one.
And you said the 23rd at 3 a.m.?
Yeah.
Okay.
They were very similar, quite honestly. They're very similar. I don't know what else to say.
All right. No, I think it's because I was like, they look pretty similar. It's just two different instances. So 3. I want you to do something. Can you do something for me? Or this is just for me personally. Whenever you're backtesting and you're doing your divergence plays, I want you to count how many of them that you don't like, but then they end up hitting anyways. Because maybe the ones that you don't like, maybe that could be your style of an AB fib.
Oh, that's definitely my style of the AB fib, the divergence.
Yeah. Because divergence fibs, I'm gonna tell you right now, I wouldn't play them by myself. I'm like, nah, I'm chilling. Wait, can you send a picture of your chart to me on Telegram?
That's where I'm at exactly.
Was there a gap to the downside like this on your chart?
No, I had a huge candle.
huge candle to the downside. And then what was the pricing on that candle?
The bottom,
Right here. So it was below these wicks right here.
the candle left a wick at the low is 1.18676.
676. Okay.
That's a Sunday.
Today is Tuesday. The volume is increasing, but there's not a whole lot of it. And it's at what time? London session. If price can reject right now and could go up a little bit and consolidate, that'd be solid. It decided not to do anything that I just asked it for it to do. The rise, how long was the rise? 11 hours and 15 minutes. The fall, 15 hours. I'll play it because hold on, let me actually, before I even say that I'll play it, let me actually, what time is it again? I'm gonna rewind real quick so that I can go on the daily time frame.
Peter, just kidding.
It's Tuesday. I'm gonna go over here at 3 on Monday, 3:30 on Monday. Okay, go on the daily time frame. Bullish engulfing candle. That's how that candle is going to close. I like that. Not a lot of volume on said candle, however. So going on to the 4-hour time frame, price goes bullish like that above the 50 EMA, but then it's going to come back into that 50 EMA. I see that bearish play right there still very much playable. This came into a fib area that I would have been scary to buy at. And I would have rather preferred to play this. So yeah, I'm going to play this.
Bet.
Oh, wait. Let me see what the volume talking about over here. As price is coming down though.
Put more price in your screen. There it goes.
Okay. Ran through this like a stop, like a red light. God damn. 1 hour. Oh, come on. Well, bro,
just make a decision. Make a decision.
I already said that I'm getting. I already said I was getting in anyways. Like I had made the decision I was getting in. I'm not trying to be on some freaking I saw it whatever, but I hate Telegram for that shit, dude. That's the one thing I cannot stand about Telegram. Like they real life would be like, oh, or I said, well, yeah, Trading View.
Telegram didn't do nothing to you.
Telegram has not done anything to me except for help me out with a whole bunch of transfer filing. Trust me, like Telegram is actually goated. But yeah, I would get in this candlestick, that 15-minute candlestick that close would have me on cloud 9, like no cap.
Except the other week when that wick would have got chased.
If this gets chased, then it's gonna be like the other week. Honestly, it'll literally be like the other week if it gets chased.
Best price action ever.
Except for this candlestick with the high volume.
Your wicks are gonna get chased now.
Yeah, it got chased. Okay, I like that though. I like how that happened. Oh, what is this, man? Woo! This volume is scary hours, but we're in the play. Gotta play it. All right, let's see. Okay, so now it's came to an area where if it comes to my entry, if I still don't feel good about the trade, I have a reason to get out because it has dropped it's dropped about 75% to my stop loss, if I'm not mistaken. Do you agree with that, P?
Yeah, pretty damn close.
All right. Let's see if it even gives me the chance. Is it gonna even give me? Oh, yes. It said okay. But now with the price action like this,
No, you
Instead of
done already said you're
no,
out.
you're right. No, I'm already out. I'm out. It's break even. Yep, I got it. I got to stick
But
to my word.
now,
I got to stick to my word. Break even. But now,
but hey, you know what we should implement? We should figure out a rule system where if you do get out and it doesn't hit your stop loss, that it's like a negative point or something, like bad intuition. Just for the point system, just to make it more interesting.
Just to make it more interesting, huh? Okay, I like that.
Not right now, but we'll think about it.
We'll think. I like that for next time because this is actually really fun. I'm not gonna lie.
All right, let's see if it hits. If your intuition is correct or not.
Yeah, let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Man, I love that. I love that. I freaking love.
And then
exit.
we can implement that you still get like half a point for that since your intuition is good.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This head to head is actually really fun.
Hell yeah, it is. It makes it. It's making it interesting. Better plays.
All right. So yeah, there you go. So break even.
All
right. Your turn. Let's see what's up. I am on.
Shit, I already know where you at. No.
March 23rd at 8:45. Yeah, that market.
Well, that divergence fib would have kept going, huh?
For the 1 to 2 and probably 1 to 3, absolutely.
Okay, so we're right here. Pretty much.
Basically,
I was saying, look, I had it on my chart. I was looking for the buys right here too.
You was.
All right.
And you would have played this exact same way. First of all, bro, I don't know. First of all, when I see price jump up from that 78.6 to the 71% and it gets close to the 61.8 but doesn't get there, for off top, to me, that's a warning sign.
Agreed.
And I feel like I got that warning sign from you, honestly, because I remember probably like a year ago, you used to be like that used to be something that you would watch for. Or maybe it was like a year and a half, maybe. I don't know.
Well, now I'm watching for this to break and get a reverse like this. What time is it? Oh, okay, perfect.
You're not at the same pricing, I think. Oh, you're not at the same time as me, I think.
I thought I was.
8:45 on March 23rd?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're getting divergence again. Yikes. This one is sketchy. And the reason being is because it's most likely going to do like a slip through here a lot deeper than 30 pips. But let me see what it looks like. Let me set it up. Oh, no, I like this. But I don't like the TP that much because it's like anticipating it slipping. Actually, no, but it looks okay. 5 minute. Is there divergence? Yeah, there's divergence here. This recent low that was made, though, doesn't have any divergence. Well, let me think. I'll take it. And then I'll block myself through it. What time is it? 8:45. And the candle's about to close extremely bearish. Oh man, I gotta honestly say I'm not gonna take this because
I don't know if I've ever seen you take a divergence trade with this much bearishness showing on the higher time frames. I don't know.
Yeah, because
it's not something you would usually do.
I'm not gonna. I'm gonna
if
wait.
If it smacks, you would be like, all right, it's okay. I'm okay with waiting for that. Ooh, wait a minute. Did it hit it?
Let's see if it would have hit it at least.
Yeah, let's see.
It wouldn't have hit my TP, but it smacked that. Good no
play. Again, bro, I don't know on the higher time frames if those things are looking a certain way. I don't know if you would play that in a real life situation.
these are one of those situations where it just keeps making these lower lows and this momentum is not pulling up yet. So I'm going to go onto the 5 minute. What do I got this line in the sky for? Oh, that's where it's going. I'm going to go onto the 5 minute and look for a play now because it is diverging so hard on the 15 minute that it hasn't corrected at all, that it's probably going to correct. So I'm literally just going to wait for structure to break and then take a chop at this. It's probably going to keep going lower, honestly, but I'm not going to play that.
That bearish play, damn. I would have hella played it.
All right, that's ugly.
That's hella ugly.
Trying to see where the volume is at. Okay, it should slip all the way up into here. So that's kind of good to see that if it does make this move, I should get a opportunity here. But it's got to like break structure. And let me pause because that's pretty. Getting a spring. This is like white coffee.
That's white coffee. Yep.
So I like that. I was gonna say if it any lower than that, I was gonna triple dive 3-wave this, but I think we're about to get a push up here.
Yeah, I agree.
If not, it's gonna make another spring.
Oh,
spring. All right, this is probably a fake move. So what time is it? 2:20. It's gonna go to 3 o'clock if I. So let me back this up to here, and then let me show the 1 hour candle and see. That's not the spring, is it? That's the first one that we said. First one. White coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, got you. And then it's gonna make a big move down. Okay, so I was checking if the 1 hour had PNP divergence. The 15 minute is too ugly. Okay, so yeah, I think this is going to be like a spring type situation. There's no buy for me to just, I'm not going to buy it down here per system, but I think I'm going to have a chance to buy it once it fakes out. Fake out alert. Oh my God. That's just not playable for me.
No, my lordy, that 5 minute right there. I would not play it either. That's scary hours.
But I'm gonna play. Dang
Are
it.
you playing the bear? Oh no.
I don't think I'm playing it, bro.
I would have hella played.
You are. I don't think I am.
But it would have been scary hours.
So much for I'm looking for this to literally break this right now.
And I'm over here like until that happens, I'm shooting the shorts. And then once the shift happens, then I'll play the buys. Damn.
That would have hit for you.
Ooh, man.
That's a tough one.
That's 2 right there that I would have played, but it's okay. It's not my turn.
I don't think I would have played this buy yet either.
I don't think because it didn't break structure. Mm-hmm.
Man. Even though it looks good on the MACD and stuff.
The volume looks good too. Like, damn.
It held right at this damn level. Oh well. I'm gonna wait for a better setup.
Come on, break out.
A lot of the parts of trading that I think I've learned to realize is that like you gotta feel good about what you're trading, or else it's not even worth it. You know what I'm saying? Like,
you got to feel good about it, or you got to be willing to, if it's a loss, then you're like, all right, it's something that I can accept. If you don't accept the loss, that you're getting into the trade, then don't get into it. Type of thing. Which I feel like that you're really magnificent at. Like, that's something you're really magnificent at.
I'll mark this divergence.
Just on the 4 hour.
Yeah, just so I don't miss that. If it comes down in there, I don't know.
Listen, if I'm not mistaken, that's the 78.6. off of the daily.
Ooh.
Did it really just get there? Oh no, not yet. It hasn't. But yeah, that might be a 78.6 on the daily.
Ooh, it's close.
Ooh. Ooh, that's
Let's get in
actually
there.
a that's actually really fire.
All right, let's see. I'm on the 15 now. Well, now I just want to wait for it to get down there, really, but we'll see what happens. If I get an opportunity, I'll strike.
If it breaks out right here, don't act like you won't play the buy. What pricing is that? 1.17429. Damn.
I'm gonna delete this little area. This was that structured low on the 4-hour.
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's doing a whole bunch of just ugliness. I'm sure there was like a bunch of 5-minute divergence plays that I could have played, but I'm not. When it's that close to the 50 EMA, it wouldn't have been worth it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's extending away. This is the
price is getting there. Go to the daily.
this
Wait,
is the
what time
okay.
is it?
I didn't mean to do that. Let's act like we didn't look at that. Okay, we're looking at it.
We're looking at it, might as well, but damn. Oh, my boy.
I'm gonna take it,
I so would.
but this is
But
gonna
for
take up
you,
a lot of
wait.
price action.
Yeah,
This is
that's
gonna take up a lot of trades.
that's what I was about to say. I was like, for you, this is something that you would hella want to wait for lower time frames.
I'm gonna do that then. I'm gonna play that like that.
Yeah, because I know you, and that's hella something that you're gonna
so
do.
I'm in an area that like I will be playing. I wish I could
even the divergence
Yes.
that you would hella play that by.
Yeah, I wanna see what this looks like here. Okay, it sinks down here. Let me pause. Hits the 78.6. Now this divergence fib is looking crazy good. I want to see if it gets into it.
Because that looks excellent on the lower time frame, even. If it holds right there, I don't think that I actually hit it.
Okay, so now I'll wait for this to break this high to buy. I want to see an impulse to break up, and then I'll look for that because we're stopping at this 78.6. But if we get down here, I really will probably just switch to the 4-hour and look for 30 for 30. Oh, come on.
It stopped right there. Is it gonna break it better?
It's building up. Do you want to bust
Would
out?
you play that?
I'm not playing nothing. No, buying that. No.
I don't like it. I wouldn't like it either. I still be looking for sales, kind of, but
it's
that
still
zone.
too sideways. Even though it broke it didn't break it nicely.
Bear flag.
Impulsively.
Bear flag right now, in my opinion.
I'm still not here for any of this. This looks like too choppy. At any point, this could bust down. So
Tatiana.
Literally.
Yeah, bear flag, literally.
1 hour is what I'm loving though, because we get this move here. We get a move down into that divergence fib. Come on, give it to me.
At this point.
At this point, divergence fib. Oh, double divergence fib right here.
Oh, yeah, you got to strike with
4 hour and 1 hour. I'm staying on this 1 hour.
For maybe. The 30 to 30.
Hold on. Did we get a big push on the 5-minute? What time of day is this? Okay, we're coming into this move. It's possible. It's so possible. Would I play this?
Especially since you're looking for that divergence, yes.
maybe.
And since price didn't break that lower time frame structure, yes.
No, I don't like the volume. Increase, big candle, big candle.
Yeah.
Not for me. Just I'll wait for my divergence. Fib. Don't care if it hits or not. Really don't care at this point. Good no call.
Good no call for real.
I just saved you that play. You're lucky. You would probably have taken
I'd probably no, that one right there. That's what I would have been waiting for. That from that high to that low, that bear flag. Yep, that's what I would have been waiting for. And,
So
and then you probably would have taken in that one. You probably would have been like, yeah, I might play it.
Man, this is not giving me anything to play with at all. It's so it literally hit this. But look how far the 61.8, like the 1-to-1 is way up here.
Right.
So
just an FYI, I have 30 minutes until I have to go pick up my daughter from her field trip.
Okay, bet. Why am I going so fast on these time frames? Okay. Nothing really here for me still.
Ooh, it's gonna go and hit the divergence, my boy.
Let's see, 15-minute. Nothing really here for me still, unless it.
Oh no.
Low volume now.
Come on, drop.
Low volume. Okay, this is like,
yeah, it's getting scary hours at this point because if it winds up and then just drops there, it's gonna scary. As I just said it.
I know, we know that's about to happen, I think.
I don't know, my boy.
All right. Well, this is invalid. This is the valid one. Let's see, what time is the 4-hour? Is it gonna switch? Let me go to right here and go to the 4-hour and just make sure there's divergence before it hits there. To see if this is still well, I should be able to see on the 1-hour. If there is on the 1, there definitely is on the 4. So let's just throw a freaking
30 for 30.
30 for 30. I just want to peep the 4. Okay.
Okay.
There is divergence, and this is where the fib is from, not this area. So it's from this low here is where.
Oh yeah.
Or that's where I should have it fibbed. Where's the fib?
Didn't you have it placed there before it dropped?
Okay, yeah, it's right there. We're
Yeah,
good. Right there. Okay, and then if I was being realistic, I probably would want to wait for this 1-hour divergence fib to hit as well.
mm-hmm. For the double KO.
Yeah, because it's like if this one,
it's
looking like it didn't even get hit.
If it did, I don't know if spread would love you that much.
No, hold on. Let me just.
I know EU spreads are usually small, but I don't know if it's gonna love you that much.
No, I'm gonna wait for this 1-hour one, and if it doesn't give me love, then it doesn't give me love. Let's do this though, because this is a good amount of ways now. I like this one. So the 30 for 30 is way far away. And it's on a 1-hour, so it makes me feel better. I think it doesn't give it
confluence.
Wow.
Okay. All right.
It's about to. It could just tank, honestly.
Nah, it's about to pop for you. It's about to do some. 78.6 is about to drop, but I'm gonna give you an exit for those who enter the 78.6 type of play. I feel like that's exactly what's gonna happen. Oh no.
Tough, because it just slid through this low right here, man. That's the thing.
That's the sliding.
You really want it.
It's that when I mentioned, I'm like fudge.
You really want it to just like real quick. This is good volume on this. No candle. It's either about to go wham on this candle or probably there like that on the next candle. Okay, another indecision. Here's the candle that's gonna do it. It's make or break right here. What you think?
It's not looking
divergence.
It's not looking good.
All right.
It's not looking
good.
good.
And how do I freaking know it's gonna do these things, dude?
Man, he said the indecision, and then he said the next candle is the one. All right. If it gets back to your entry, we already know what time it is.
Yes, sir. So close.
Come on, give it to him.
Wow.
Give it to him.
No, it ain't, bro. That
It's
was
not.
like
that was the
like
one.
hey, it's almost at your entry. You want to get out? And then I didn't respond fast enough. And then
that's exactly
it's already back down here.
That's exactly what that is. Well, I mean, it's on the one. This is on the 1 hour though. So wait, okay, go on to the 15-minute time frame, because now this is when we're real and we're looking at the markets. What time is it? What time is it at that 15-minute? Like when it gets when it got to that high, like to the highest before. What time was that?
10:15
a.m.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. I think at that point, if price would have, if that's as close as you think that price is going to get at that time in particular, I feel like you would get out with like just having a 0.2 loss.
I would have in real life, but in this situation, I'm just going to count it as.
You got to wait for the break even. I know. I just wanted to
talk
about
this right here. Once this breaks, it's just going to do this probably, man.
Yeah.
And then maybe even give it away like that, because that's just divergence, bro. But you never know. Let's see what the market does. Literally a coin flip. Yep. All right.
Yeah, there it is.
There it is.
All right. So right now we tied up.
One
so. Loss, one W, one break even.
Where's my stats?
Oh no, you got 2 W's. Never mind.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm about to get another W right now, so it's okay. What day are you? I know I have a lot of fast forwarding to do.
I'm on the 30th.
The 30th?
March 30th.
Oh yeah, I got 6 days to go. Let me go ahead and go on to the 1 hour on this one and put you at 10x. The 30th at what time?
Let's see. The 30th at like 10 p.m.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. 10 p.m. you said. Okay, still got lots of room to go.
I feel like it's about to make a bullish move.
Yeah, I agree with that. '30th. Okay. All right, so go on to the. Oh, give me a second. I didn't see anything. I promise. I really didn't see anything. Okay, so. All right, so this higher time frame 78.6 ended up holding and doing a 1-to-1. So that's first thing that I want to note. After a 1-to-1 off of any time frame, there is expected to be some type of rejection or anything like that. This is hella invalid, so I needed to clean up some stuff first of all. Give me a second. Right there. I haven't put this record onto there yet. I did. Oof, this structure right here, I'm moving it all the way to the left. Not a big fan of, I mean, well, like it's off of some And I think at this point of my trading career, I can honestly say that, especially since I'm trading these funded accounts, that these type of 4-hour plays, I'm not so certain if I would get in them right at the 78.6.
I feel that.
It's because, and I think it's more because I'm trading with these funded accounts. I don't want to do that. But I feel like that as I continue to gain more capital and stuff like that, then it'll be a different story. But as of right now, it's a no-go. So I gotta wait for these lower time frames. Let's see what goes down over here. Okay, got that bullish move that you just referred to, P. That you
You're
just
welcome.
referred to. You probably did just give a boy a W right here, but let me see real quick.
Damn.
That thing ABC in too.
That shit
That-
probably barely hit my stop loss. I didn't even press the next candle to see.
That thing thinging. Did it hit your stop? Did it barely hit your stop loss?
Yes, by 1 pip.
Oof. And did it go back to your entry?
Yes.
Damn, that is rough. That's annoying. Okay, so this almost, wait, did it hit the 61.8? Let me be real. No, it didn't. Almost hit the 61.8, then it hit that 23.6 up there. I'll
That
play
thing's
it.
about to go.
I'll still play it if it comes back down.
That
But
thing's
if it
about to
doesn't,
go.
that thing is about to blast off like freaking Jimmy Neutron.
I'd put a buy stop. No.
He said, I'm about to play a buy stop. What you mean? That thing thangin'.
That buy
Okay.
stop got wrecked.
That thing thangin' right now. So first of all, not so sure if I'd play this, but I have something to talk about first. From this high to this low, I gotta go see it on the higher time frames. But exactly. Damn. That's rough because I wasn't necessarily looking for this play because I was more interested in the buys, but I saw it. And the only reason why I did see it is because of this little consolidating that it did on the 1 hour and then the drop. I was like, okay, well, after that drop, I play that. There's also this other play that you can play. So this is the safer one that I would choose, especially with where the point of control is at. I'd rather play this sell than this one right here. Although this one still played out, I'd rather play this one to begin with. So I'm mapping this out. I'm still low-key interested in those buys, but that 1 hour candlestick got me feeling some type of way. That 1 hour candlestick got me feeling some type of way. And if it keeps going bullish, then I don't know if I'd want to play that sell. So we got to mess around and find out what's goody. Oh, and like you said, yeah, buy stocks would have got super wrecked. The way how we play them, at least. Ooh, that's actually not a terrible ABC, but the time is ferociously disgusting. The time is what I'm not liking. Let me see what this daily volume looks like. It's been tapped. Give me a second. My kid is texting me. I forgot my phone's on do not disturb. Let's check if they can be there, please, at side doors. Just let me know when you're 10 minutes away. Yeah. Because I gotta get a trade in before I leave. There's no way in hell. And it's just gonna be a quick 10-minute pickup. But I think it'll be a suitable time for us to get off anyways. Because we've been on here for longer than 2 hours. Okay. Blueface don't do it to him like this. Okay, so now here's the difference. Here's the difference between the previous play where it did something very similar to this. Then the other one, it dropped down, but it consolidated back up a little bit before making another drop. Versus the other one, it dropped down and it just continued to drop down. That's the main difference between this buy that I'm still going to hold and play and the one that I took a loss on. And if it was a real life situation, I wouldn't have played it. There's 1-to-1.
Nice.
Very nice 1-to-1. And there's 1-to-2. Very nice. Very nice.
Quick.
All right. And I'm glad that I was able to get that W and actually freaking get out of the deficit, because that deficit was making me anxious. So W, 2%, 1-to-2.
That was clean.
That was very clean. I do want to see how further up it goes, but I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to you. Did you want to keep going after I pick up my kid, or did you want to call it a night because we got to wake up at 4:30 to grind? All right. All right. So how much percent were you up?
Well, I think you ended up winning it with that last one because I was up. The first one, it hit. I had to break it even. It was a W, but I broke it. It hit break even, and then the W on the divergence was 1%, but then the L took that away. So I was pretty much at nothing.
Okay. And then I'm only up 1% because I took the L. I got a 1-to-1, and that was a break even.
Yep.
And then I had another break even, and then I had a W that was a 1-to-2.
Yep.
But that was fun. I actually like
that
style of backtesting. And then even in between these trades, I can go back and I can go and look at, okay, what would I have taken in between that time that Peyton was doing, and vice versa as well. You know, I actually really enjoyed that.
So we started in February
16th.
February 18th or 16th.
Well, okay, or you can do what the first trade was.
Yeah, first trade I took was February 19th.
Okay. And then the last trade that I took that hit 1-to-2 was on April 1st. So 8 trades in total of backtesting from a month.
Dude, that's about 1 trade a week for our systems.
Interesting. And that's for one pair. So would it be fair to say 2 to 3 trades per week? But at the same time, we have
one trade a week is what we're looking at.
No, but this is only for one pair. If we're looking at 2 pairs, then it'll kind of have to be two trades a week type of thing. You know what I mean?
Well, you would want to do something that's not correlated though with the US dollar, or else it's just going to basically be like double risking.
Ooh, that's right. And usually the US 30 that we're trading is based off of a different strategy to begin with. So that's actually accurate as hell.
Exactly.
So maybe I do need to not trade US 30 and I need to trade a different Forex pair. Thank you for bringing that up because I didn't think about that.
And the only reason that I look at all the other markets is because I'm really good with divergence. So like I'm able to see when like the yen is going this way, but it should turn around. And if the yen turns around, then that gives GJ a higher probability because
I think I'm going to start doing that. I think I'm going to actually cancel out US 30, and then I think I'm going to add. I like out of all the other non-USD pairs, I don't know why I like GJ.
Yeah,
I don't know why I like it more than UJ for sure. And sometimes I even like it more than GU. So I think I'm going to do that. And then I'm just going to start paying attention to looking at the the GP, the JPY, and the euros, as well as looking at the DXY.
Yeah, I feel that.
And then, the times that we want to play the other system that we're backtesting, which we'll backtest sometime this week. Then, after this, I want to tell you something. But definitely I think that that's what I'm going to do. I thank you for bringing that up. I appreciate that for sure.
Definitely.
All right, guys. Check out the backtesting session, study it, utilize it if you would like. But we definitely know that all of this is not going to make you a better trader. And if you are wondering what we mean by that, go ahead and message one of us, and we'll indulge you in what we mean by you can learn all of this stuff that we're teaching you, and it's still not going to make you a good trader. Did you want to say anything before I hopped off, P?
I'm good, man.
All right, guys.
Session.
Good, very good session. I hope everyone has